Okay, for some reason you want to sign out of your Lightroom account, maybe you want to use another account from Lightroom or like stuff like that, then or you don't want to use Lightroom anymore, you want to sign out, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Lightroom. And without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. And here, let's tap into the three-dot bar at the top right corner. And at the very bottom, you can see app settings. Let's tap into that. And you can see your profile. Let's tap into that again. And it's very simple. You can see a sign out option right there. All you have to do is tap into that and you'll be signed out from your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.